How'd you get in there? How'd you get in there? Is that funny? Carmen, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a nice birthday. Bye-bye. Casey, what are you doing?
I'm making a...
Carmen, you better go get her, honey. Let me see your Barbies.
Hi.
What are you doing? Uh-oh. I shouldn't get that, should I? Daddy walking down the hall naked. Carmen, get your weights, your little ones. Get your little weights. That's too heavy. That's too heavy, honey. Get the little one. Yeah. Get the little weights. Carmen, are you left-handed?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. See that? Don't pull on that. No, no. No, Carmen. Let's go. Can you open the door? Thank you. Okay, let's go. I'll help you. Let's go. See? You want to get on?
No. You're too little. Mama, she made him go.
Can you say happy anniversary?
Happy.
Yeah. Can you say hi, Casey?
Hi,
Where's Daddy?